Brother, welcome back to my channel. You know, I've had so much fun doing this, and I really appreciate everyone's viewership. The one problem is, I just feel so all alone, and you know, filming late at night like this is so dangerous. No one knows what could happen, but it's no matter. You know,
Bird Up!
Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up, the worst show on television. Ignore me, I'm not even here. Bird Up.
brother, today is a very special day. For years, we've been planning, preparing, and working. I have the honor and privilege of introducing Brother Spinosaurus.
I'm the real Big Papa, and anyone else who says they are is a liar. I can eat 3 large pizzas and 2 dozen donuts in one sitting.
It's of the utmost importance we explain what birding up is. Put simply, it's going for the record. And today, it's time to go for the record.
You going for the record? All 4 fingers?
Fein Acht. Ich bin die Stimme aus dem Kissen. Ich hab euch etwas mitgebracht. Hab es aus meiner Brust gerissen. Mit diesem Herz hab ich die Macht, die Augenlider zu erpressen. Ich singe, bis der Tag erwacht. Ein heller Schein am Firmament. Mein Herz brennt! Feen. Sie kriechen aus dem Kellerschacht und werden unter euer Bettzeug sehen.
This is either madness or brilliance.
It's remarkable how often those 2 traits coincide.
watching Bird Up, the worst show on television. Can you put on this mask?
All right, take it easy, Al. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay.
I'm not even here. Bird Up.
We honored our family today. They said we couldn't do it, and yet it was done. But now it's time to look ahead. Many bird ups lie in our future, and goals must be set. I, Hanky the Ankylosaurus, by next bird up, will bench 335, eat 40 wings in one sitting, and bring back the saber-toothed tiger for everyone to enjoy.
I, Brother Spinosaurus, will bench 325, eat 20 tacos, and bring sexy back.
Has anyone seen Waterman? Bird Up.
Today, we've decided we'll impart some knowledge on the youth. You're welcome. We are not medically trained dietitians, and we're going to explain the proper way to optimize muscles that are massive, majestic, and accountable.
It requires adherence to the 4 major food groups: energy drinks and milk as exclusive sources for hydration, and candy and meats for tasty treats. Now watch us consume Waffle House in a very honorable manner.
Ya boopay, ya boopay, ya boopay. 2 fingers, ya boopay, ya boopay, ya boopay.
Fear is the path to the dark side. Today, we test our resolve. Horror movies cause anxiety, and energy drinks cause anxiety. We will double down and overcome. There are actually monsters everywhere, and I know it for sure. Unfortunately for our detractors, fear is a mindset. Brother, we've made a very grave mistake. I think we might have given ourselves schizophrenia. The bugs, they're in my skin. And the demons, they're flying around my head. All that being said, this was the perfect movie to see with the boy. Because I'm obsessed with him. This was quite possibly one of the best horror movies I've ever seen. You agree?
Yes!
Well, that's good, because we agreed. The way they utilize lighting and camera focus to build suspense was quite honestly masterful. All the times where you couldn't see her face and you could tell that she was looking, but you didn't know how she was feeling, those were some of the scariest times in the movie. On top of that, when you saw her whole face, it might have even been worse. What an incredible acting performance. The way she was able to contort her face was unimaginable and very scary. Would you agree?
Yes.
Well, that's good, because he agrees.
The way that the movie was so realistic and that only one part of the movie was impossible, but everything else physically could have happened was terrifying. If you want to be terrified, definitely go see it in theaters. The way the speakers are so loud it makes the whole theater shake is terrifying, and the large screen makes you locked in on the movie.
One thing that's for sure true with this movie is that it has a novel premise. So often today, movies are so derivative, or they're remakes, and especially in the horror genre, a lot of things feel very predictable. That cannot be said about this movie. Every twist and every turn, it was nearly impossible to see what could happen next. I think that's very hard to do in such a saturated genre.
It was an 82 on goodness and a 77 on enjoyment.
I'll give this movie a 91 on quality and about a 77 on enjoyment.
What's he got that I don't got, boo? He's got a little tic-tac. I got a f***ing bird up.
What an incredible time we've had. And yet, like all good things, it must come to an end. Everything's finite. But in the spirit of Bird Up, I think you should hit one more bench press set, for old time's sake.
Okay.
search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go.
If I can't work out with you, nobody can.
Bird up.
I guess you wonder